Disco matanga kanyo hapano ni jatend piny nyono kok jok moko ka dhi nyime ni jakom mar ODM Gladys Wanga olero ni ODM okawo okang' mar siro lwedo jatend piny Kenya William Ruto kaluwore kod kit telo mar Ruto rwako kamorwake ji duto e sirikal mare maonge kweda mar dhoudi. Wanga olero ni Ruto osetero dongruoge e kuonde duto mathurka maonge dewo wang' kata matin. Bende osiemo jatend duond bura mar DCP Rigathi Gachagua konyise ni owego kore tok loch mane DCP oyudo Olkalau koyango ni gin kaka jogo mantiere sirikan manyonda giketo ikruok makare ne yiero ma higa 2027.
The party have made a very firm decision and very conscious to be in the broad-based government. And it is because President William Ruto has made a decision that many people thought could not happen. Many people felt that the house of Kenya, the house called Kenya, some people must be outside for some people to be inside. But the President William Ruto and the broad-based government have made a decision that this house called Kenya is enough for everybody, and everybody can stay inside that house, and every part of this country can receive development. Na mimi nataka niambie Gachagua, wacha kiburi. Hii kiti moja umeshinda ya Olkalau inafanya uwe na kiburi. Lakini mimi nikuambie sisi kama broad-based tumeshinda viti 9. Kuanzia Magarini, Mbere, Kasipul, Malava, huko Garissa, huko Ugunja, kila mahali tumeshinda viti 9. Wewe umeshinda kiti moja na atulali. Wacha nikuambie, wacha kiburi, game ni 90. Wale jamii ambao unafikiria ni wadogo, sisi tunajipanga.
Yewoi moko